trade. We took this trade in Tokyo session. So basically it was 15-minute breakout. Let's break it down. So starting with the higher time frame, this was our 4-hour time frame, and on 4-hour time frame we have a gap right here, like market open with a gap, and it's Monday today. So we were having like this uptrend on 4-hour. We have earned the liquidity from here, and now we can expect that the market can move up. So we were looking for a buy as the 4-hour, as the current 4-hour was also missing the top wick, and we have to fill this gap. So let's look at it on 1-hour time frame. So basically this was our 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame we still have this gap to fill, and the market like hunt the downside liquidity. It was more like a pack runner at this point, but then the market was just like moved up. So we wanted to wait for like some kind of pull back and then take a buy again. But when we drop to the 30-minute time frame, this was our 30-minute time frame. So on 30-minute time frame, basically we have this area right here, and the market closed above this area after hunting this liquidity. So we can think that if the market has closed above, now we can move up. If this candle can wick down first and then like shift toward upward. So basically we were looking at the breakout above this candle right here. So the market closed above this area right here, and then the market closed above. I was looking for this candle to first wick down and just go up, and when this candle first wick down and break this high here, we took our entry. Let's see our executions. So basically this was our execution right here. I'll like play this trade and break it down what happened actually. So basically this is our 15-minute time frame, and this is our 30-minute time frame, and we have this as a breakout on 15-minute time frame right here, and also like strong bullish candle on 30-minute time frame. So it was like good trade. So let's play how it played out. So when we entered right here, the market just like got back and took us in drawdown. So when this candle was closed right here, let me show you. Then this candle right here closed as a strong bearish candle, but it was also missing this bottom wick. So there was a chance of next candle to move up, like 50-50 chances of the next candle to move up. So I like to close my first position right here. Like I closed my half of the position in drawdown, and then I was like targeting this area right here. This was our stop loss. Our stop loss was this, and our TP was this. So I closed half position right there, and let's see what happened. So basically this 15-minute candle, like closed above this previous rejection, that was recent rejection, and this 30-minute clear was also like a good clear. So we waited for the next candle to form upper week, and after formation of the lower week, we took a entry again right here, as we have closed our some of the position in drawdown. So we took entry right here again, and hoping that we will like hit our target right here, but it was like kind of rapid. That's why I wanted to close it early. So let's play it out how it goes. So right here we close our partial, and I did break even right here, and let this position open, and we were hitting our target like right here, but I didn't close my full position. So this was basically 15-minute breakout. So let's look at the other things. So basically it was breakout, and our entry model was break of previous high low. Let me attach it back. So it was a breakout setup, like strategy was breakout, playbook strategy was breakout, our entry model was break of previous high low. We took this entry at this point after the break of previous 15-minute, and we have respected our 5-minute rule, and the condition was like 4-hour was missing its top wick. There was no wick on the 4-hour current, and we have to fill this gap to this point. So I took my like TP at this point. So let me add exit time plus 2 hours like to see what happened. Market did actually hit our TP again and like fill this holding, but after hunting this liquidity from down here. So basically I was showing the tags. We have respected 5-minute rule. Condition was we were missing 4-hour top wick, and I have rated my trade as in P execution category, because I could have managed it well if I closed this partial right here in. So I should have closed this partial at TP instead of holding it long and expecting the trade to like give me more. So this was my mistake. I didn't book TP at structure, and the psychological was I did extended my TP, and that was it. And our risk was normal. Setup was kind of A, like we have breakout on each of the time frames, so it was kind of A setup, and stop loss was previous high low. So this previous 15-minute, so we use this as a stop loss. And target, we have achieved our target, but we didn't book our position, so that's a like execution error, and I'll be focusing on it more. So TP reasoning was 4-hour was missing top wick, and on current candle we have a decent like steeper wick, so that we could have also used this as a like stop loss. But after that decent bottom wick, market did like move down again, so we use this as our stop loss point. And let's make it more. So wick on previous, so we have a decent wick on previous candle, so we can think that the market should have filled this whole wick. So this was our trade in Tokyo session. Time frame was 15-minute time frame, and overall it was like break even trade for me. So it's day 2 of like my 60 days discipline challenge, and I'll be taking like only A+ trade on this account. So that's it.